Hello! Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and thank you for joining me. As the title suggests, I have a sort of a book haul for you today. If you're new here to my channel, I primarily post bookish content, but I also post travel content and relatively lifestyle content as well. But today is a book video for you. So I've got a lovely, let me get it up here for you, a lovely stack of books that I ordered. I was trying to wait for more books to come in because I have ordered quite a few special edition type books in the past couple weeks, more like couple months. Let's be honest, some of these book boxes are a little delayed lately, but that's okay. But frankly, I've got 3 boxes here and I really want to get into them. So we're going to open them today. I'd love to share these unboxings. I get super excited when I unbox books and I'd like to share that with you, and I love watching videos like this, so I figured why not create them myself. So without further ado, in no particular order, we're going to go through these. I believe 2 of them are Illumicrate. I believe one of them is my first Illumicrate book that I get to open, and then one of them is a Fairy Loot special edition box. So we'll start with, I guess, the Illumicrate box, which is funny that it's my first box isn't in a yellow box, but that's okay. I've got my scissors here, and let's open them up. Let's see if I can do this on camera. Ta-da! It's got some little wormies things. I love when they're not plastic, so that's fun. And this is beautiful. What is this? Okay, so it is Song of Silver Flame Like Night. So let's get out of the plastic. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So we've got a author card, which is fun, so I will read that in a bit, and then this is the book. It is super pretty. So Song of Silver Flame Like Night by Amelie Wenzow. And look at these sprayed edges. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Oh, it's a little turtle. What else is it? A tiger, a dragon, and a goose? A swan? Tell me what that is. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh, it's signed by the author, so that's pretty. And it has some, let's take the dust jacket off. Nothing on the reverse side of the dust jacket. But look at this book. It is so pretty. Beautiful. And then we have some end papers. It's the same on both sides. Is that the main characters? Oh, it's got a map. I love when it's got a map. Let's look at this. Ah, so pretty. Okay, this is stunning. It looks like it's got some stars, constellation. Okay, let's put the dust jacket back on and let me read you the synopsis. So, the synopsis. In a fallen kingdom, one girl carries the key to discovering the secrets of her nation's past and unleashing the demons that sleep at its heart. Once Lan had a different name. Now she goes by the one the Atlantean colonizers gave her. She spends her days scavenging for remnants of the past, for anything that might help her understand the strange mark burned into her arm by her mother in her last act before she died. No one can see the mysterious mark until the night Zen appears at the tea house and saves her life. Zen is a practitioner, one of the fabled magicians of the Last Kingdom, whose abilities were rumored to be drawn from the demons they communed with. communed? Anyway. Magic believed to be long lost. Magic to be hidden at all cost. Both Lan and Zen have secrets buried deep within. Fate has connected them, but their destiny remains unwritten. Both hold the power to liberate their land, and both hold the power to destroy the world. That sounds very interesting, despite the fact that I butchered a couple of those words. So pretty, so excited. Okay, that's the first book. Let's get into Fairy Loot now. I believe these are some special edition books that I ordered, but I can't be certain, so let's open this. It's all bubble wrapped. It's got some peanuts in there. Okay, let's take these out. Ah, so pretty. Okay. So we have just a thank you card from Fairy Loot and our 2 special editions. So the first one is The Theft of Sunlight, and then the second one is A Darkness at the Door. So this is a trilogy by Intisar Kanani. I didn't realize how poor I pronounce things until this video. So this is actually a trilogy, and it's a Fairy Loot exclusive edition. So I'm missing the first one, Thorn. Honestly, I'll be super transparent. I saw these covers and read the synopsis of the first one and said that I needed these. So even though I don't have the first one, I'm excited to read it. I just felt like I wanted the Fairy Loot editions first and hopefully find the Fairy Loot edition of Thorn later. I'm probably going to borrow the first book from my library and then hope that I can find the first one in Fairy Loot edition at a later time. They are signed by the author. Super cool. So they think they both are. Yeah, they both are. Ooh, this one's thicker. You can see that better. I'm excited. So I have been trying to search for the first Fairy Loot edition on Pango Books, which is an app I like to use to buy my books secondhand whenever I can, but I had no luck. So fingers crossed now that these are out that people are going to be selling the first book. So that's my second 2 books. They're significantly smaller than the first book that I ordered, so that's kind of fun. And sprayed edges, I forgot to say that. So little ombre effect, they both go green in the middle, sprayed all around, so that is fun. Very, very pretty. I love these covers, I'll be honest. Again, they sold me on the covers, so they got me there. Okay, last box are some special editions from Illumicrate, and I'm pretty sure I know what these are, and I'm so excited. Yes! Any guesses? Oh, so excited. They've got some cardboard. Oh, and they are so nicely wrapped, and they are big books. Oh. Okay, let's get these out. So pretty. Okay, let's go with the first one first. Of course, it is The Priority of the Orange Tree by Samantha Shannon with lovely sprayed edges. Let's see if it'll focus. Ah, so pretty. Now, this is one, oh my gosh. Look at these end papers and the hardcover. I'm sorry, I'm so excited. Okay, here's the naked hardcover. Look at that. Look at that dragon. He or she looks ferocious. The spine, the end, and then here's the end papers. So pretty. Are the end papers on the other side? No, they're the same. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so that's the first one. The Priority of the Orange Tree is obviously something that I have been wanting to read for a while. And my best friend, who also loves reading, actually read this. I recommended it to her when we were, I was visiting her, and she bought it at a local bookstore when I was down visiting, and she loved it. So I'm really excited. Here's the second one. To my knowledge, no change to the actual dust jacket. Let's look. Here's the sprayed edges. It looks like this one is another sword or a staff, maybe. And A Day of Fallen Night is the sequel, but it's like the prequel to the books. So I've heard that you can read it in any order, but I'm a fan of, I like reading it in release order, not chronological order, and that's like an unpopular opinion. Let me know what your thoughts are. Here's the naked hardcover. Another dragon. This one's got like a meteor. This one looks like a nicer dragon. Tell me I'm wrong. Oh, beautiful end papers. Let's see, here's the end paper on the other side. Looks the same. And I believe these are both signed by the author. So super cool. Super cool. And so A Priority of the Orange Tree and, of course, A Day of Fallen Night. They are fantasy books. And I'll be honest, I know nothing more about that. I assume there's dragons. I've heard that, you know, it's a lot of politics. And just overall exciting time. Look at them together. So pretty. I like going into books without really knowing much, I'll be honest. I think if I know too much, I start expecting things, and then I'm disappointed. So the less I know, rather, the more fun I have. So it's kind of cool. It's fun. And I like the hint of mystery this time. Or all the time, let's be honest. So here is the haul for today. Let's turn them around, see those beautiful sprayed edges all together. Ugh. So pretty. So pretty. Okay. Well, thank you so much for sticking around if you've stuck around this far. This was really fun. I normally just kind of geek out on the books, usually take a video of it and send to my friend. So this is super exciting that I get to experience it with you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd love for you to subscribe. If you got these, let me know which one's your favorite, if you read them. If you have the first edition of Thorn, let me know. I'd love to purchase it off of you. Otherwise, thank you so much. I appreciate you sticking around, and I'm excited to put out more videos like this. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye. So